Terra Grow and Terra Bloom are mineral basic nutrients. Mineral nutrients are absorbed directly and completely by plants, which will grow quickly and healthily as a result. Terra Grow guarantees optimal growth, and Terra Bloom ensures exuberant flowering. Using these nutrients leads to a rapid and high yield. Ideally, you want to combine Terra Grow and Terra Bloom with our 100% Terra substrates, Light Mix or Grow Mix. Use Terra Grow or Terra Bloom whenever you water your plants. Which one you use depends on the substrate you're using and the phase your plants are in. Our Grow Schedule calculator tells you exactly how much of which product your plants needs at any given time. Let's assume you're growing with Light Mix and your plants are in week 8. In this scenario, you use 40 milliliters of Terra Bloom for every 10 liters of water. For real top results, you can combine Terra Grow and Terra Bloom with our additives, Power Roots, Pure Zim and Green Sensation. Plagron.com. #Pass it on. Find the substrate that fits your needs in our product selector in the link below.